How to kill fleas outside the home. Fleas feed off the blood of humans and animals, causing red bumps that can lead to irritation and swelling of the skin. It is best to prevent fleas before they become a problem. They can multiply quickly, causing not only a large population outside your home, but inside as well. If you already have a flea infestation inside your home, then you have one outside. Begin to get rid of fleas by killing them outside your home. Things you'll need: hose and sprayer for liquid insecticide, flea killer, protective clothing, face mask and gloves. Cut the lawn and trim shrubbery and trees around the home. Water the foundation around the home along with landscape, garden, and grass 24 hours before using a flea killer. Make sure the ground is saturated, especially if you experienced a few months without rain. Spray flea killer around foundation of the home, on trees, shrubbery, and grass. Purchase flea killer such as permethrin SFR and use a hose and sprayer to spray the flea killer. Spray early in the morning or in the evening for best results. Keep children and pets away from the area that is sprayed for at least 2 hours after. Repeat spraying 2 weeks later. This will kill flea larvae that became adults. There are no flea killers on the market that can kill flea larvae, but with a repeated application, it will help kill the fleas. Choose another option of killing fleas outside your home. If you prefer not to use a liquid form of flea killer, you can use a dry form such as Delta-Gar insecticide. The dry granules can be spread throughout your lawn. You will then water the lawn to activate the insecticide. The active ingredient in the granules is released in the fleas, preventing them from reproducing and killing them. This method takes a little longer than sprays, but it only needs to be applied once each year. Tips: warnings. Repeat spraying each year from 2 to 3 specified times according to the instructions that come with your flea killer to make sure that fleas do not return. Always wear protective clothing, gloves, and a face mask when spraying or spreading a flea killer.